this bullshit? Do y'all see this? Like, you're supposed to be a playboy, and your hair is not up to par, bro. Before we get into this video, man, I'm gonna have to do something to this, cause y'all came here for one thing, and I can't give y'all what y'all want with this fuck ass haircut, bro. Look at this, yo. Look at this. Oh my god. Bumble. Man, it's your boy Playboi Zuse. And we back with the motherfucking static, you did. But I don't really feel the static. This don't look right, so I'm gonna have to hit up my barber, and even though we're in quarantine, I'm gonna have to hit him up and be like, bro, I missed you, bro. Like, can I get a haircut? Please. I'll pay you 20. Yo, this is sick. But no, help me. Yo, I'll get back to y'all, man. Hopefully we do some surgery on this shit, cause this don't look right. We out.
And I got it up. I'm fresh off a boat. Diamond it wet like a boat. Diamond it choke. Diamond it all ain't gon' choke. Fucking your hoe. In love with the stroke. He got like Elliot. Diamond it wet shit.
It's your boy Playboi Zuse, and we back with the motherfucking static here. So yes, sir. Yeah, I don't know about that clip. It's the new and improved Zuse, you feel me? Y'all feeling the drip, you feel me? Y'all like the look, you feel me? But yeah, we gonna teach y'all boys how to get the drippy drip like this, drippy drip. You feel me? The FreeForm / Pretty Boy Fredo dreads. Pretty Boy Fredo did not start that. He just has different type of hair, so it looks a different way, you feel me? But you corny ass niggas could have that look if you want to. Alright, so I'm gonna teach y'all 3 ways. I had two ways already, you feel me? So we got this right here. I low-key fell in love with this, but you see the front here? It wasn't just like this. So I had to restart my dreads all over. But we're gonna start with the FreeForm part first. FreeForm is really freaking easy, yo. You just can't be a dirty ass nigga with it, you feel me? Some of y'all be using a dirty ass sponge or a towel to do it. That is disgusting. That does not work. It will leave freaking residue in your hair, and the twist sponge, it leaves residue in your hair. You feel me? That's not good for your hair. If you want your hair to grow, it's not good to do the sponge. So you're gonna take you a brush, a 2-sided brush, you feel me? So you got the soft spot, light skins, you got the hard, you feel me, the dark niggas, and brown skins, you feel me, cause we're not like them boys. So yeah, you gonna take the soft spot and you gonna just 360 that shit in your hair, you feel me? And you gonna keep doing that. You could apply a gel with it if you want to. It depends on how you want it. You see how, like, if you look at my dreads, there's like curls at the end. My hair naturally do that. I don't know how the fuck it does that. I'm not even gonna cap to you. I only got my hair retwisted twice, and after that I stopped doing that because I felt like it was a waste of money. And I would never keep it in my hair for more than 2 days. You feel me? I would take it out immediately. But the first FreeForm, you could do that easily. You feel me? Take the brush, 360 in your hair, do all that, put gel if you want to, and do that. And then it's gonna be bulky as fuck. It's gonna look like Naruto. You're gonna look like Naruto Uzumaki, whatever his fucking last name is. And basically, bro, all you gotta do is take it out, right? Twist it by your hand and keep doing that. And then you're gonna get to a certain spot where you it starts looking good, you feel me? Get you a damn pick, just so it don't go to the root. If you don't want dreads, just so it don't go to the root. Pick that shit out. I can't do that because my dread look fire, you feel me? I got the Playboi dread, you feel me? The Thot boy, you feel me? I created my own shit, you feel me? But yeah, that's really it for that one. It's real simple. The FreeForm is real simple. Just don't wash your hair too much time. With the FreeForm, you cannot wash your hair every 2 weeks. Like with dreads, you can wash your hair every 2 weeks, 3 weeks. FreeForm, you gotta wash your hair every month. But some niggas can wash their hair and they still get that that good look with the, what you call it, the homo. You feel me? But what I was saying that, you feel me? The second look is the coil look. So the coil, you could do the coil for the dreads. You feel me? That's how you start off dreads anyway. You can do coil dreads. So you get coils. This the Pretty Boy Fredo. You get the coils, right? And then after you get the little coils, you feel me? Let that bit dry or whatever. Or when you get the coil, you get them braided. If your hair is long enough, you get them braided, right? And then next day take them out, right? Apply some type of gel in your hair, right? Just leave it like that, and make sure you don't touch it. Make sure you don't sleep on it. If you sleep on it, you gotta do it. That's why Pretty Boy Fredo always have his hair done half of the time. You feel me? And when you keep doing that, it extends your hair and makes it longer. That's basically it for the Pretty Boy shit. And then for there's a 2-strand method. So the 2-strand method is you get 2-strand twists with normal hair. This hair right here, normal hair. And when you do that, 2-strand, whoever does it for you, whatever they apply in it, whatever, you feel me? Get it done and then take it out overnight. Like after you sleep and wake up, you take it out and then you leave it in your hair, you feel me? Don't touch it, don't wash it, don't do none of that, because you want it to lock a little bit, you feel me? It has to lock a little bit. You can pick it if you want to, just so it don't dread up at the roots, because dreads start from the roots and up, you feel me? You see my shit? They're not really dreads, you feel me? They're not locked at the roots. Like if I take my hair out, bro, like look at that. If I take this hair out, you can see it. It's not locked at the root fully like it is down here, you feel me? But yeah, damn, y'all just fucked my shit up. But yeah, you could do that. And my dread style, you feel me? So you get your head done, you get the coils, you feel me? But I don't know if it's gonna work for every hairstyle. Chinese people, please do not do this. This, bro, definitely do not do this, bro. Like, it won't work. It won't work. No offense to the white people, stop with the dreads. Stop with the dreads. It's not for you. Like, it's really not for you. Stop with the
that you had
with the fake ass dreads y'all be doing, putting extendos in y'all dread like I got Dracos and shit. Don't do that. Like, bro, stop putting extensions, bro. Let the rapper niggas do that. Some of these fake ass rappers, they got that shit, you feel me? They put extensions and make their dreads long. Fine by them, you feel me? Don't try to be like them. Them niggas whack anyways. No offense to whoever, I don't really give a fuck. But yeah, how you get my dreads? You basically get a coil. You basically go through the dread process. You get the coils, and then you let the coils sit for about 2 weeks before you wash your hair. Don't even wash your hair until you start seeing your coils grow and you start seeing new growth at the bottom. That's when you not even wash your hair, you go get a retwist. But I didn't do that, you feel me? What I did, cause my hair is different, and y'all I know how to take care of my hair. Some of y'all niggas don't, but it should be simple, bro. Hair taking is simple. Like, you should be able to take care of your hair, bro. You don't need a female for that, bro. You gotta basically go through that process. And what I did was I left it in for a week, and my homeboy and his sister who did it for me, you feel me? They told me not to wash it. I listened, but then again, you feel me? Me as a clean person, I don't like not washing my hair. Until now, like, I wash it every 2 weeks. Every time I get a haircut, I wash it like a full wash, you feel me? Cause your shit, if you a nigga, you gotta keep yourself looking good, you feel me? Even if you fat, ugly, whatever, you gotta keep yourself smelling good, looking good, hair done, all that, bro, taped up. Every 2 weeks, your hair should be done, you feel me? Even if you broke, stop smoking so much fucking weed. A haircut costs $10 at some places, $20 at most, bro. That's all, bro. I ain't even gonna get on y'all case. I washed it like, I ain't gonna cap you, I watched it the first week, and after that, my hair just started doing its own thing. I got pictures. I'm gonna load up the pictures while we talking. my hair just started doing its own thing, and I was looking like a bum, yo. Like, before I got to this look, you gotta go to the ugly, but you gotta go through the ugliest phase ever. Like, I'm talking about, you gotta look like Boo Boo the Fool, bro. You gotta, bro. The niggas who got extensions, they lucky. They don't gotta go through all that ugly phase. But real dreads, when you start off, you gotta go through this ugly ass phase right here, bro. Ugly as phase, bro. I had no holes. I don't have holes now. You feel me? Went through the ugly phase, and now my hair like this. Me, so this is what I do every night. When you get to my style or whatever, my length of hair, you feel me? I don't even, bro. I got 200 something. 200 count dreads in my head. You feel me? 200 count, yo. 200 count. 200 count. I sat here and literally counted 100, 100, 100. Yeah. 200 count, yo. And I could take care of my shit perfectly fine. It stresses you out. Yes, sometimes. Yeah, I know. It's gonna stress you out, bro. That's everything in life supposed to stress you out, but let's get back to the topic, you feel me? How I got my shit like mine, you feel me? I did what I had to do, you feel me? And then another step I took, you feel me? Instead of I got 2 retwists, right? So after I did that, I stopped getting retwists. I stopped like doing a lot of shit with my hair. The last 2 things I did was once on my birthday, like before my birthday, it's right here, you feel me? I did that. That's another style. I'm gonna teach y'all a style after. If this video goes like, if this video does good, you feel me? I'm gonna drop a hairstyle with dreads, you feel me? With freeforms or whatever. Hairstyle, you feel me? If this video gets to 300 likes, bro, I'll do a hairstyle. 300 likes, man. I ain't never get 300 likes. I only got 600 likes. So if this video get to 50 likes or matter of fact, if this video get 3 likes. If this video get 3 likes, cause I only got 3 supporters, you feel me? Cause 1,300 something, they don't be trying to fuck with me on anything. I'm trying to teach y'all ugly ass niggas how to drip, you feel me? But yeah, but when you get it to mine, you feel me? You gotta get you a rubber band, get 2 or 3. I got 2, you feel me? Sometimes I park this shit to this side and just put the rubber band in, right? And leave it in like that. You feel me? This a hairstyle right here, you feel me? Or I do it both sides and do that, and you just look retarded. Don't do this if you go out. Don't do this if you go out. You're gonna look like a fucking clown, yo. You're gonna look like a clown.
You make this one?
You feel me? A clown. Bruh. I look like a Barbie doll, no homo. But yeah, you do this, or you can take both sides of your hair, right? Put that bit back, style it however you want to. I got the beads over here, you feel me? This is my own type of hairstyle, my own type of drip, you feel me? I got my own type of drip. You niggas need to stop copying and pasting these other whack ass niggas. And put this in here like this, right? Boom. You got a pineapple. Under the... You got the SpongeBob. I call this the SpongeBob, bro. Cause you got the pineapple. You feel me? You could style this however you could do this right here, or you could have two dreads going down here like this. It's a whole bunch of styles with these dreads. I'm gonna teach y'all that in another video. But another thing I use to make my hair grow a little quicker, I stopped using this because I feel like the more oils you put in your hair, it stops your growth. I use this. I don't know if y'all could see that, but I use this, you feel me? And it really makes your hair grow quick, because my brother has been using it, and you see this? My brother has been using it, and it makes his hair grows really quick, you feel me? But yeah, don't put a lot of stuff in your hair, because all the chemicals will stop your hair from growing, and your hair has its own type of oils. But that's really it. If y'all really fucking with me, you feel me, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't fuck with me, I don't really care what you do. You watch the video to the end. So eat a dick. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. I love y'all. Static Gang, we out. Click.
mama saying she be praying for me, but the life that I live, this how I gotta eat. Cups of syrup steady fall in my liver. Fuck a Juno, but you know that I miss her. I hate myself, I can't stare in the mirror. I won't show it cause I'm more a pretender. In a ghost, I hopped out of a phantom. 14K going on Cabana. I flew my mama straight out of Savannah. 4 on water, Haitian dripping, just set